Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Facebook. So first you have to open the Facebook website or app and locate the Facebook app on your mobile device and open it. And on the Facebook homepage or the app's login screen, you'll find two text fields for entering your email address or mobile number associated with your Facebook account and password. So you have to enter your email address or mobile number, whichever you prefer, and type in your password as well, and tap on the login after you're done with it. And this is it guys, this is how to log in your Facebook account. And once the login process is complete and any necessary verifications are done, you'll be redirected to your Facebook homepage or newsfeed, and you are now successfully logged in. Remember to keep your login credentials secure and avoid using public computers for logging if possible. And if you encounter any login issues, you can use the forgot password option to reset your password. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.